What's up friends, welcome back to Drew Tutorial, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to add audio in Canva. Before we jump in guys, would you mind take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button, because this will let me know that you found value within this video. And on top of that, the biggest benefit is that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Now let's continue. So what I'm going to do here guys, on the left hand side, I'm going to use a video that is currently something from Canva. I'm going to type, for example, nature. And yeah, let's choose, for example, this video here. Right, so we will use this as an example. Right now I'm going to go ahead and add an audio. I have audio on my computer here, so let me bring over here my file explorer, and yeah, this is an audio that I have. So this is a nature sound audio, by the way. So in order to add this audio here into Canva guys, I'm just gonna simply click and upload here, and let's head over to audio section here, and let me open up my file explorer again and just simply drag my audio into this section. It's going to quickly upload, and that's it. So you see that I'm adding my audio into Canva. Now the audio is there, ready to play. Let's hear it. So I have the audio here in Canva, and in order to add this audio, for example, on my timeline, all I have to do is just simply drag that audio down onto the timeline, and you will see that it's adding here onto the timeline. So I just need to let it go, and you will see that the audio is now added. So the audio is added, and I can always adjust it to my liking. I can adjust to different parts of the audio if I so desire, as you can see here. And I can always go ahead and I can play around with the volume. So if you want to adjust the volume, the fades, you can see the option here at the top. It says adjust. You can adjust it to your liking. You can play around with the fades. If you so fade in, fade out, you can do something like that. Right, and in terms of the volume, you can simply right click on it, click on volume, and you can just adjust the volume to your liking. Right, so I can make it as low as 20%, let's put it like that. And then yeah, let's hear the audio playing here in this video. And that's it guys, that's how easy it is to add audio in Canva. Now once you're finished, all you have to do guys is simply click and share, and you can simply click and download, and you can choose video. You can play around with the quality of the video all the way to 4K, and just simply click and download. Right, once you click and download, you'll have your video on your computer, and that's it. Very easy and very simple. Here you have it guys. I really hope you found value within this video, and if you do, don't forget to take a moment to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button so that you'll never miss out when I release future videos just like this one. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.